Good morning, my dear children. I am your Parita ma'am. Do you remember what did you learn in your previous sessions of English? You have learnt alphabet A to Z through jolly phonics songs, right? So today also we are going to revise all the alphabet through jolly phonics songs. Are you all ready to sing? Yes? Very good. So you all sing with me. Okay children, let's get started. This is alphabet A. A, ants on my arm. A, ants on my arm. A, ants on my arm, they're causing me alarm. This is alphabet B. Bring your bat and bring your ball. B, B. Bring your bat and bring your ball to the park to play. This is alphabet C. We are clicking castanets, k. We are clicking castanets, k. We are clicking castanets, clicking castanets. We are clicking castanets, k. This is alphabet D. See me play upon my drum. Playing drums is lots of fun with a da. See me play upon my drum. This is alphabet E. Eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, eggs in the pan, crack the egg like this, This is alphabet F. My friends and I went to the beach with my floating fish. It got a hole, the air came out. This is alphabet G. The water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain, the water gurgles down the drain with a g. This is alphabet H. I like to hop, 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 up and down. I like to hop, 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 all around. I like to hop, 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 up and down. This is alphabet I. Ink the mouse is my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is wet. This is alphabet J. Jelly and jam, jiggling on the plate. Oh, what will I eat with it? J. This is alphabet K. Kites are flying in the sky, k. Kites are flying in the sky, k. Kites are flying in the sky, flying in the sky. Kites are flying in the sky, k. This is alphabet L. We lick a lollipops, we lick a lollipops. We lick a lollipops. This is alphabet M. The mom and the dad make many meals. The mom and the dad make many meals for their hungry children. This is alphabet N. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. This is alphabet O. Now it's dark, the lights go on. Time for bed, the lights go off. This is alphabet P. Puff out the candles on pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. puff, puff, puff. Puff out the candles on the pink cake. Puff, puff, puff. This is alphabet Q. The duck in the pond quacks quack, 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 quack. The duck in the pond quacks quack, 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 all around the pond. This is alphabet R. See my puppy rip the rag. Rrr, rrr. See my puppy rip the rag when he pulls so hard. This is alphabet S. The snake is in the grass. The snake is in the grass. Sss, sss. The snake is in the grass. This is alphabet T. When I watch the tennis game, da da da, da da da. When I watch the tennis game, my head goes back and forth. This is alphabet U. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas. Up go umbrellas when it starts to rain. This is alphabet V. Dry weeks went round the village. Dry weeks went round the village. Dry weeks went round the village. Wah. This is alphabet W. I see the clouds moving, wah wah wah. I see the kites flying, wah wah wah. I see the trees bending, wah wah wah. The wind is blowing strong. This is alphabet X. X, X. Take an X-ray, X, X. Take an X-ray, X, X. Take an X-ray, X-ray of my hand. This is alphabet Y. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. I like to eat yogurt and bananas. Yeah. This is alphabet Z. Did you ever hear a bee buzz, a bee buzz, a bee buzz? Did you ever hear a bee buzz? Zzz, like this. So children, did you all enjoy singing songs? Yes? Very good. So keep practicing and keep learning. I will see you tomorrow. Take care. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.